So last time that we were here on demo, I actually made note of how we did really good site protection. And at that time, the homeowner had the old carpet that was eventually removed and replaced with this nice new carpet that's going up the stairs. This is no longer a drop cloth. This is finished product, but at the time we were using the old carpet as drop cloth along with all of our containment, like our zip walls and our taped off bedroom doors. Come on upstairs, we'll show you the master suite and the hall bath. Hall bath, kids bath, main bath, whatever you want to call it. Nothing ornate or particularly over the top on this, but just a really simple, beautiful, functioning hall bathroom for the kids. We got a great vanity choice here. I love the color with the wood tone. Everything's always black, white, and gray lately, or cobalt blue. But I like that they went with this really light colored wood, plays off of everything else. Again, we're not the designers, but when it's designed well, our finished product looks that much better. So if you come on all the way in, we got some floating shelves that play off of the vanity wood color. Client selected a vertical stack for the tile, which always has a unique look. We're so used to seeing subway style application where it's a horizontal brick pattern. This is a vertical brick pattern. It's not exactly stacked. If it were stacked, all the grout lines would line up. So this is a stacked tile. Well, it's not a stacked tile, but it's a vertical tile that's not stacked. It's still in an offset grout line pattern. Super deep tub. And as always, almost everybody wants a niche. So we gave them one. So now we're gonna go into the master suite. This is a dramatic transformation from what was there. So there was a bathroom, there was a hallway between the bathroom and a very small, if you could call it, walk-in closet. The architect actually completely reformatted the footprint of this room, and we added some nice features, so take a look. This is that walk-in closet, and as we've talked about on a lot of our jobs, a great way to save space is to have the door be a pocket door that recesses all the way into the wall. This way you don't have that door swinging out or swinging in, because that's going to limit where you could put storage or shelving. Again, in cooperation with us, the homeowner had their own closet company come in, built together the storage that they designed for whatever their budget was. We just created the space, the door, and the paint, and we formatted the lights to fit the space. Master bath. Custom wall-to-wall vanity cabinetry. This is part of the kitchen cabinetry line that we installed downstairs. Again, fully inset doors, fully inset drawers with easy close. And this is what we call a tower cabinet. So it sits on top of the vanity top and then goes all the way to the ceiling, and it's connected to the ceiling with crown molding. Adds great storage space. A lot of people don't want toilet toppers anymore. So if you need that hidden storage above the vanity height, these are a great product to use. What we did here also, which a lot of people don't know you can do, is you could have the receptacle that receives the light fixture built into the mirror, so that the mirror can still go seamlessly from the backsplash all the way to the ceiling, and you don't have to leave room to install a light fixture. We just cut a hole in the mirror, and we know we're going to do that, so we place the electrical junction box in the space it's going to go, and the glazer will cut out the glass from this way. Not much to see, simple toilet, really nicely designed. The window treatments are not in yet, so window treatments are on order. But this is an enormous shower, which is why you're looking at this wall right here and saying, wow, this bathroom doesn't look that big. Well, it may not look that big from the doorway, but when you see the shower, I'm actually going to step in. I'm way back here, so I can barely reach the glass of this shower when leaning against the wall. This is the similar tile that we used in the hall bath, but this is on a horizontal brick pattern where the grout lines are offset. Custom bench made out of the quartz material that we use for the shower curb and the vanity top. Oftentimes you got to remember, when you're buying quartz, you often, unless you find a remnant, you have to buy the whole slab. So if you're paying for the slab, pay a little bit of extra money to have the fabricator use all these pieces that you already own to do the things that we need to do for bathroom accessories. The sides of the niche, shower bench, shower curb, lining of the half wall, and whatever else. We could even make a windowsill out of it. So if you own the slab, take advantage of the slab. Don't go buy a marble bathroom threshold or a marble shower curb at your tile shop for $19.99. You already own this really great quartz product. Use it. Last but certainly not least, it's just the master bedroom. Reformatted to fit the new space from the architect, but the homeowner asked us, can you do a tray ceiling? And we love doing tray ceilings. I think it adds a lot to the room. So what you can see is the framers will come in here, we'll pop out the ceiling joists, we'll frame to put new joists at a higher level, still leaving some of the original ceiling height traveling around the room. And then almost always we had crown molding as a finishing touch. They also added this really cool light fixture, which I think is the cherry on top of this bedroom renovation. Beautiful space, tray ceiling, light fixture, crown molding, and then they had kind of a little nook in the room that they weren't sure what they wanted to do with it. So they had a custom piece built in just like they did in the dining room. Fits the space perfectly, acts like a furniture piece, but it's custom, built in wall to wall. I think it's great. So there you have it. This is our interior renovation in River Vale. Kitchen, open concept, dining room, powder room, a laundry room, hall bathroom, master suite, master closet, master bedroom or primary bedroom.